You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. As you can probably tell, I'm in a different space today. I'm actually in my fiance's old house, and we are getting ready to rent this place out. It's been a bachelor pad for the past couple of years. He had some roommates living here with him, so we just need to get this place cleaned up, so I volunteered to do it. And I figured, why not film a cleaning video? This is such a great opportunity to switch things up a little bit on my channel and change the scenery. So I am going to clean up. I really don't know where to start, to be completely honest with you. I might clean up his room first. There's just some extra stuff in there, and I just kind of need to go through everything, see what we're going to donate, see if any of that furniture would be helpful in our current house. More than likely it's not going to be able to fit, so I don't know. Anyway, I just figured I'd take you guys along, so I hope you enjoy this clean with me. If you do, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe for more content like this, and let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm in one of the bedrooms right now. Hopefully the lighting is okay. So I can already tell a ton of the stuff in here we are gonna get rid of. I know we're gonna get rid of this bed over here. We don't have an extra guest bedroom in our current house to put it. There's a desk chair in here that we need to donate, so maybe I'll just make a couple of trips to Goodwill today. That way we can just start clearing things out. Just like some photographs. I see he has some shoes over here still, some clothing. So I'm just gonna package some of this stuff up, and then anything that's clearly trash or just like things I know that we don't need, want, whatever, then I'm just gonna put in a trash bag or put in a donate pile and go from there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back.
So I figured the easiest way for me to deal with this, just because this isn't my stuff, I felt like I needed to see things in like piles, and it doesn't look like much right now because all I've done so far is just clear out this corner for the most part. But I'm gonna put things in categories of sporting type things, personal items and pictures, household things. There's like a little work pile, like a keyboard and like a resume portfolio thing, his bag of like baseball things, clothes. I know that we're gonna get rid of this thing because I know that we don't have a spot for it. So I think I'm just gonna like try to clear this room out and put everything in piles. That way it's a little bit easier for me to assess, and also for things that I'm not sure if he wants to keep or not, I can just have him go through certain piles to make it a little bit easier. So hopefully that makes sense. And yeah, all right, I'm gonna keep going. All right, little did I know, Steven used to collect baseball cards. I think that's what these are. I can't even pull one out, that's how many there are. Yeah, baseball cards. I'm not gonna get rid of these because I'm assuming if they've stuck around this long, they must be important to him. But we are gonna have to do a Konmari fiancé edition. Okay.
So we fade in the rhythm.
Okay, other girlfriends, fiancés, wives. Do these things drive you crazy? These things are everywhere. From Steven gets all his clothes dry cleaned, which I appreciate. But these things drive me absolutely nuts. There's like literally 50 of them in here that I need to just get rid of right away. Let me know in the comments down below if these things drive you absolutely nuts.
Call it off, let it go, all for nothing. I should have known. I've made mistakes, crashed and burned, so many chances, no time to learn. I need to find another way to make things right. I won't be coming back again a second time. Can't take it back, everything you've done. You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know where we belong. Time will tell us where we went wrong. You know youth is wasted.
Okay, so here's where I'm at. I've got the majority of the stuff cleared out of the bedroom and swept. So now I'm thinking what we might do, or I'm gonna run by Steven, is renting this room in particular partially furnished with this bed and nightstand table and little console table, just because, I don't know, like we don't really have a space for either of those pieces of furniture or this bed. So I mean, if someone's renting, maybe that's something that they're looking for. So now I'm kind of thinking maybe we just keep it here, and if the people we rent it to say that they don't need the furniture, then we'll just go ahead and donate it, but might as well try. So yeah, that's, whoops, tripping on a bag over here. I've been here probably for like an hour or so. I didn't film the whole thing just because I felt like it was so repetitive, and I was like sweeping, and I don't know, I was just kind of going through things and trying to figure out. This bathroom like gives me the absolute creeps. It's from like the 80s, I think, and it hasn't been updated. It needs to be cleaned very badly. It hasn't been cleaned probably since he's lived here. And I just need to go through some more of this stuff. Here's the, I mean, it looks like a mess out here now, but I really just need him to go through some of this stuff. I don't want to get rid of, you know, things that aren't mine, but this is all trash right here. These are what I perceive to be donations. His clothing, we're gonna get rid of that. That's my cleaning supplies. And yeah, I showed you guys this stuff. So I think I'm just going to focus on cleaning up or finishing up this room, finishing up the closet, getting this completely cleared out. I'm gonna make a trip to Goodwill, and then I'm gonna call it a day and just focus on the other areas of the house in another video. So make sure that you stick around. I'm not ending the video just yet, but here's a sneak peek of other things that I need to work on in the kitchen. There's still some stuff in the cabinets, I think. Just want to clean down the appliances, of course. This is like the pantry, so I need to just throw all this out for the majority of it. And yeah. Oh my God, Steven, what the heck? You seriously have like 1,000 of these metal hangers. This is like my worst nightmare. Oh my God, I'm gonna put all those in the trash right now. I'm not even gonna ask. I hate those things. They give me the creeps. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna keep going, and I will show you guys the finished room once I am done.
On the young, setting off, time to go, engines running, we're on our own, running on an endless road, reaching for something we used to know.
have a chance, I'd make things right. I see the light behind your eyes, it's fading now. Can't take it back, everything you've done. You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know where we belong. Time will tell us where.
Alright guys, just finished everything up. Everything is nice and clean. It feels good to at least have one room completely done, except for the closet. I just need Steven to go through a couple of these things, and then I accidentally took that, whatever, that door off the hinge or whatever, off the track. And then he needs to finish this flooring into the closet one day before we rent it, but I don't know, I'm thinking, so I feel like I deserve like a gold medal for cleaning this bathroom. It was so gross. I don't know, I just feel like for where this house is located, it's gonna be college kids that rent this place out. They're not gonna, nobody ever takes care of your house, typically. I don't mean this as a general statement, but in a lot of cases, at least in this area, a lot of people don't take care of their house the way that you would take care of your own home. So I just don't wanna spend a ton of money investing in this house if we're just gonna use it as a rental property. I obviously wanna make it nice and livable and clean for whoever rents it, but I just don't wanna go crazy, you know? So the only thing I could see us maybe doing is replacing this vanity and just, I cleaned the toilet really, really good. Maybe painting and maybe just adding like a shelf or a picture or something right there. And maybe just like the mirror, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that was gross, so I spared you guys the details of me cleaning that because it wasn't fun. And I chipped a nail, first world problems, but okay, it's not gonna focus. Whatever, you guys know what a chip nail looks like, and I just got my nails done, so I wasn't super happy. Unfortunately, this room looks like a mess now, and he had this room nice and like clean. But like I said, I just need him to go through these things. This is the donate pile, that's trash, and then he needs to go through all this stuff. So anyway, thank you guys so much for sticking along and watching this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you tune in next time when I clean the kitchen and the garage and the other side of the house. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we